There's nothing better than a video of satisfying machines. In this case, you'll see how Ironworkers forge tong blanks, a fantastic laser cutting machine, this fantastic milling machine, the perfect machine for confectionery lovers, and another amazing milling machine. So sit back and get ready to watch. And remember, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, like this video, and share it with your friends. This milling machine is mesmerizing. As you can see, it has the amazing power to file through steel. The debris from the steel shoots out in all directions, and in seconds, its new form is created. The intelligent technology of this milling machine doesn't fail. The results are fantastic and perfect. It's like magic. After this, you'll want to watch the milling machine again. Milling machines are so interesting to watch. In this case, we can see how this machine transforms a piece of wood. This machine can shape it as desired. This quick and interesting process is easy on the eyes. It's incredible how we've gone from this image to this one, don't you think? The art of baking now involves mechanical processes thanks to technology. In this video, we're going to discover how this great machine makes cookie dough. Thanks to the worker's instructions, this machine is able to make dozens of cookies. In addition, it has several molds with different shapes. These are just some of the examples. It's incredible how perfectly this machine makes these cookies. Fancy one? The machine we're looking at is one of the best for milling. As you can see, its high speed makes it extremely precise. These slow motion scenes really help you visualize the excellent chip fall. This is thanks to the horizontal motor spindle. This milling machine works effectively with steel. It's a satisfying machine that definitely captures your attention. Cutting through metals like aluminum isn't easy. To do it, you need a machine with a lot of power like this. The laser releases enough heat to cut through this material. Thanks to the precision of this machine, it can cut out striking geometric shapes too. This cutting process is so satisfying to watch. After a few brief moments, these are the results. How exciting! If we're talking about satisfying factory machines, this is undoubtedly one of them. Let's see how Ironworks forges its tong blanks. This process is carried out under extreme temperatures, so you have to be super careful and precise. emits a mesmerizing glow that really draws your attention. Do you see it too? Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe, click like, activate notifications, and don't miss out on these other fantastic videos.